In this video, I'm going to explain how to remove duplicate words appearing within a string. So string may be comma separated, maybe there is a space only. So how we can remove it? First, we need to type the function TEXTSPLIT, and this will split all of the text. And in this case, we don't use the comma delimiter, and we will skip those, and we will use row delimiter as a comma. And now you can see we get all of the list. The next thing you can see there is a space before the word. So we will use a trim function. So I will use trim function and close the brackets. And this remove all of the spacing. Now if I use the unique function, it will only make me the unique list. Finally, I'm using TextJoin function. And I want to combine by delimiter comma, and I will ignore the empty, and the last parameter will be our formula. If I just hit enter, it will give me the required results. Of course, you want to add a space, so you can add a space after comma, and now this look fine. We will just need to drag this formula. If your string has only space, there is no special character as a delimiter, so we can use the same formula. I will just copy this formula, paste it here. So you can see if I just double click, the reference is B10. Now we only need to change this comma to space and also this comma to space, because we want to combine the text join as a space and we want to split whatever there is a space. So if I just hit enter, it will give me the required result. In Google Sheet, we can also get a unique list from a string. So first we need to apply the split function. This is the text we want to split, and in this case our delimiter is a comma, and I will hit enter. So this gives me all of the list but in a different column. We need to transpose this list because unique function not work on this list, but they work on a single column. If I just apply the unique function, they will not work. Unique function, I might close the bracket, so this will not work. We need to transpose this function and then we need to apply the unique function. So first I need to transpose this list. And now I need to apply the trim function. Close the bracket, and since this is array and we need to press Ctrl Shift Enter to get an array, and now we need to apply the unique function. So we will apply the unique function after the array formula, unique, and close the bracket. So we get all of the unique list. Now again, same formula we will apply text join, delimiter in this case, comma, ignore empty, yes, and hit enter. So it gives me all of the list. Now I need to drag this formula down. Of course, there is no value, that's why we get an error. Now the same formula I can use for space. I will just Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and instead of comma as a delimiter for split function, I will use space. I will also use space. So this give me suggest autofill, yes. And this is how we can remove the duplicate within a string using these simple formula.